In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Azure API key in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to securely place your key so Cursor can use Azure's models without any hiccups. First, make sure you have Cursor open on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and open the app now. It's a good idea to close any distracting windows and, if possible, keep your Azure key handy on your clipboard so you're not hunting for it later. Remember, treat your key like a password. Don't share it or show it on screen. Once Cursor is open, head into Settings. You can get there by clicking the gear icon, often found in the app's corner, or by using the standard Settings shortcut if your system supports it. When Settings opens, take a second to let all the sections load so nothing is missed. Inside Settings, navigate to the area labeled Models. This is where Cursor manages different model providers and their configurations. You should see a layout that includes available providers and places to enter credentials. If your interface looks slightly different, that's okay. Just stay within the Models section and you'll find what you need. Now look for the API keys section. You're specifically looking for the field related to Azure. It might be labeled Azure or Azure OpenAI, and there will be a text box dedicated to the key. The field often masks what you type for security, so don't be surprised if the characters appear hidden after you paste. With the correct field located, add your Azure API key into the Azure text box. Paste carefully to avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end, since that can prevent the key from working. Many versions of Cursor save changes automatically, but if you see a save button or an indicator to confirm, go ahead and finalize your entry. You may also notice a small check mark or a brief confirmation message indicating that the key has been accepted. That's all you need to do inside Cursor. If you plan to record or share your screen later, double check that the key is not visible and that the field remains masked. If anything doesn't seem to work, the most common fixes are to ensure you pasted the full key without modifications and that you're using the dedicated Azure field rather than a different provider's box. To recap, you opened Cursor, went into Settings, navigated to Models, found the API keys area, and pasted your Azure key into the Azure text box. With that done, Cursor is ready to connect to Azure-backed models. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up quickly and securely.